Ikaw ba ay may planong magpagawa ng bahay at gusto mo lang ipa-design ito kay architect kahit na wala ka pang budget para ipatayo ito? Pwede nga bang kumuha ng serbisyo ng architect para lang magpa-design muna ng bahay? Kailangan bang ipatayo agad ang pinadesign na bahay o dapat bang dumiretso ito agad sa construction? In this video, I will be talking about an approach that maybe only a few people know. If you are a prospective homeowner, you can consider this option. Alamin ang advantage ng ganitong approach. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna. So I have been doing ArkiTALK for quite some time now, and one of the common misconception I have been getting is that akala ng karamihan ay kapag nagpa-design ka na kay architect o kumausap ka na ng architect ay didiretso na ito agad sa construction. Let me start by saying na hindi kinakailangan na ganun ang maging proseso. Although some do take that approach, and it's their choice. Ang hindi alam ng iba ay pwede namang magpa-design lang muna kay architect at sa mga allied professionals. We architects primarily function as designers and not as a builder or a general contractor.
The general contractor is the person or the company who builds houses, buildings, and other structures.
So ang sagot sa tanong na, pwede nga bang kumuha ng serbisyo ng architect para lang magpa-design muna ng bahay? Ay opo. Pwede po yun. Pwede kang magpa-design lang muna kay architect ng pangarap mong bahay at saka mo na ito ipatayo sa contractor.
Architect, ano naman ang advantage nun?
Let me explain further. Dahil nga, primary function ni architect ang i-design ang iyong bahay,
The architect is the first step in the design process because the architectural plans are the ones followed by the allied engineering professionals before they can do the structural design plans, electrical and electronic design layout, plumbing and sanitary layout, and the mechanical design plans. These are called the complete design development plans of any project, whether it be a house or a building. These drawings are usually printed out on blueprints, which can also be followed by the contractor, which then becomes part of the construction documents.
ibig sabihin sa architect at sa architectural designs and specifications, dapat magsimula ang lahat.
The architect's services include and is not limited to the pre-design phase, where this serves as the consultation phase between the client and the architect, wherein they discuss the possible designs of the house or any project for that matter. The schematic phase, wherein the architect based on the previous phase will come up with an initial design. Normally, the architect will start to charge a fee during this phase because he would exert more time and effort on your project to make sure that the design will fit your preferences. Once you have agreed on the approved schematics of the design, the architect will then forward these designs to the allied engineering professionals for their respective design, specifications, and other details. All of these are needed to have a complete and detailed design of your house.
Para sa mga dumaan na sa ganitong proseso, kung maaalala mo, ito yung mga panahon na excited kang makita ang magiging itsura ng iyong bahay. Parang nung panahon na excited kang makita siya kasi siya ang iyong pangarap. The advantage is that you get to have a picture or a blueprint rather of the complete design and look of the house you want to build. Kapag meron ka ng complete and detailed design ng bahay mo, mas madali na itong ipabid sa contractor para ma-estimate.
Bid! Ano naman yun?
A bid means to offer a price or an amount. It is usually done in an auction, but it is also a process which can be utilized when you want to have your construction project estimated or bidded out to qualified general contractors.
To be honest, ito ang mas magandang proseso kung gusto mong malaman kung magkano aabutin ang presyo ng construction ng bahay na gusto mong ipatayo. Kasi meron ka ng complete design and details na pagbabasihan, either through hard copy or soft copy. Mas madali itong bigyan ng equivalent cost estimate. Kasi makikita mismo sa mga detalye ng mga designs kung ano ang magiging itsura or kung ano ang magiging sukat ng iyong bahay sa loob at sa labas. Makikita din dito kung gaano ito kalaki, gaano ito katangkad, gaano kataas ang mga pader na itatayo, gaano kalaki ang bubong, gaano kalawak ang sahig or ang floor na lalagyan ng tiles, ilang pinto, ilang bintana, ilang lababo, ilang gripo, ilang galon ng pintura ang kinakailangan para mabigyan kulay ang buhay, ang bahay. Ilang ilaw ang ikakabit para maging maliwanag ang buhay sa loob ng bahay. At madami pang ibang bagay na kasama sa pagkwenta or pag-compute kung magkano talaga aabutin ang presyo ng iyong gustong ipatayong bahay. O diba? It makes sense. kesa magtanong ka kagad kung magkano aabutin ang presyo ng bahay mo base sa size ng iyong lupa, ilang kwarto ang gusto mong ilagay at iba pang mga detalye na gusto mong mangyari sa bahay mo. Paano ka mabibigyan ng tamang presyo kung wala tayong pinagbabasihan ng plano, design and other details that are needed in order to have a more comprehensive cost estimate? If you saw my video, I did mention there a unit cost per square meter of the construction based on my minimum standard quality of finishes and materials. But that was computed after the construction and not before. It is one way of gauging how much the total project cost would turn out. It is also one way for us to have an idea on how much the cost of the house would be. Kasi remember that on this video, we architects base our design fees on the possible construction cost. And that is where we base it from the previous projects we have already completed in order to have an idea of how much we think your house will probably cost. So let's say na magpa-design ka muna kay architect and you already had it estimated by a contractor. Another advantage of doing this process is that you get to set goals on how much you need to save or loan in order to have it built. Makakapag-set ka ng target savings every payday or every month based on how much your house will cost. Kasi nga, more or less, yun na din naman na magiging presyo ng bahay na gusto mong ipatayo. Depende na lang kung sobrang tagal mo itong pinatayo after mo itong pinadesign. Unti-unti, makakapag-set aside ka ng pondo para sa bahay na gusto mong ipatayo. In another one of my videos, I mentioned there that one way to save on construction costs is to have some of the construction materials owner supplied or supplied by you, the homeowner. And in order for you to check what are the materials included in the design of your house, you need to check the architectural plans, which is already included in the design of the architect. The architect will also specify the materials that you will be using in your house. So si architect na din pala ang bahalang mag-specify ng materyales sa iyong bahay, base sa inyong napagkasunduan noong nasa proseso pa kayo ng pagde-design. This means that you get to have an idea of how much tiles you will need, what lighting fixtures and how many you will need, and so on and so forth. Ang kagandahan nito ay kahit na wala ka pang sapat na pondo para ipatayo ang iyong bahay, kahit papano unti-unti ka makakapagpundar ng mga materyales para dito. Total, ang materials naman sa construction ay hindi nabubulok. Pero pakaingatan lang ito kasi pwede itong manakaw. Parang unti-unti mong inaabot ang iyong mga pangarap. Alam mo na may pinupuntahan na ang iyong mga pinaghihirapan sa trabaho para sa iyo at para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And that's it. Comment down below kung okay sa iyo ang ganitong proseso or ang ganitong approach. Okay lang din pala na magpa-design lang muna kay architect. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. Watch out for more architectural tips, advice, lessons, and know-how on this channel. Also, if you like these videos and more, please do not forget to click on that subscribe button. At idamay mo na din ang notification bell icon to keep you updated on my future videos kasi sa channel na ito, may future.
I want to send out my shout out to Shelly May Atienza, Cap George Tablan, Steve Blocks, Ken TV, Bayani Marquez, Engineer J Caps, and Zavdiel Caseñas. Some of them have YouTube channels as well, so go and check them out. I want to send my deepest gratitude to all who supported me up to this moment. Do expect more future videos to come this coming year. May God bless all of you and keep safe.
If you want to be Alamin ang we architects primarily kung gusto mong malaman kung magkano ang magiging proyekto and that also if you like these videos and more, the advantage is that you get to